Hi kids! In this video, you'll meet the weirdest animals and learn the awesome facts about them! They are all weirdly awesome!
From Costa Rica, here's glass frog.
Glass frogs are so named for the glass-like appearance of their undersides. The skin on their bellies is completely translucent, which means you can see their stomachs, hearts, and other organs. In fact, you can actually see a glass frog's heart beating, its intestines and stomach digesting food. The purpose of the translucent underside is camouflage. The transparent parts of the frog actually break up its outline, which makes it much harder for birds to see them. So, glass frogs are actually better at hiding from predators than some of their less see-through cousins. And now kids, we'll have a super close-up with glass frog. The Argentine horned frog consumes mice, insects, amphibians, lizards, and even other frogs. Uses its wide mouth to catch and eat prey, even if it is almost the same size as it is. When it comes to behavior, people may think that live horned frogs are deceased ones. If a frog's environment becomes dry, or the amphibian loses its food source, then the animal will enclose itself within a resilient outer layer of skin for protection. The frog will remain completely still, giving those who encounter it the impression of being dead. Once the frog becomes rehydrated, it will shed the resilient outer skin layer and eat it. The horned frogs are aggressive ambush predators. They are patient, and their coloring provides camouflage, so all the frogs have to do is hide and wait in some greenery until something tasty wanders by. When it does, the frog lunges and grabs its meal with its strong jaws and teeth, killing and swallowing its prey. The frog feels threatened, will attack whatever is frightening it. The frog will attack even if the animal that's threatening it is several times bigger than it is. Dinner time with horned frog. The horned viper, also known as the horned sand viper or desert horned viper, has scales above its eyes and nose to protect its eyes from sand. The snake moves sideways and can emit a rattling sound when threatened. Its venom is dangerous and can create blood clots and strain the heart, potentially leading to fatalities in rare cases.
Welcome to our Weird Faces segment. In this segment, you will see some weird faces. Sit back and enjoy!
The Asian sheep raz is named for the sheep-like or human-like appearance of its head, which makes it one of the weirdest animals in the world. They can grow up to 39 inches long, weigh up to 32 pounds, and are found in cool sea waters and coral reefs in Korea, Japan, and China. They feed on smaller fishes, crustaceans, and shellfish, but their population and lifespan are unknown. The red-lipped batfish, also known as the Galapagos batfish, has a unique appearance that resembles a lady with poorly applied red lipstick. They are not good at swimming. They are found at the ocean bottom in Peru and the Galapagos Islands. They are carnivorous, feeding on small shrimps, mollusks, and crabs. Their average length is 8 inches. They have a lifespan of around 12 years. While some scientists believe that the red lips are used for enticing potential mate, they are not dangerous to humans.
And now, for a close-up with the always dolled-up red-lipped batfish. Try not to stare at the bat. No, I mean retro makeup she's wearing. She's very sensitive and will snap at you, okay? Here she is, red-lipped batfish herself.
Blue-tongued skinks are lizards with smooth bodies and external ears. They have blue tongues, one of only 5 animals in the world known to have them, and give live birth to offspring. Unlike snakes, they have eyelids and can blink. Blue-tongued skinks are omnivores and feed on a diet of invertebrates such as crickets, earthworms, locusts, and roaches, as well as berries, bananas, apples, and squash. They either have no limbs or short, stubby ones.
And now, kids, we'll have a super close-up of a blue-tongued skink.
The proboscis monkey has an long, pendulous nose that's smaller in females. Both males and females have large bellies, and females are about the size of males. They are excellent swimmers, able to swim up to 66 feet underwater. They feed on unripe fruits, seeds, and leaves. The proboscis monkey's unusual nose has made them one of the weirdest animals in the world, attracting and impressing females depending on how long their nose is. Male monkeys have an average weight of around 50 pounds and are 28 inches in size. Frogfish can camouflage and change colors to blend in with their surroundings. They prefer walking or hopping on the seafloor instead of swimming. Their modified dorsal fin acts as a fishing rod with a lure to attract prey. They can swallow prey as large as their own size. Frogfish are found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide and can be as small as an inch or as big as 15 inches. There are around 50 species, each with unique characteristics. The hairy frogfish has many dermal spines, giving it a fur-like appearance.
Feeding frenzy with frogfish. Oh no, he's at it again!
Pacu fish, also called vegetarian piranha, have human-like teeth that enable them to crush and grind crustacean and nutshells. They have flat bodies with different color variations and can grow up to 42 inches long and weigh around 50 pounds on average. Their lifespan is between 15 to 25 years. Pacu means Wikita into big language of South America.
Now let's get a close-up of the pack of fish. Human-like teeth.
Naked mole rats are unusual buck-toothed rodents that burrow in East Africa and have a nearly hairless appearance. They exhibit a eusocial lifestyle like termites, with a single female queen and lots of male soldiers and workers in their colony. They can move each individual to grasp things and have a few hairs on their body that act like whiskers. Naked mole rats can survive for up to 5 hours with less oxygen by releasing fructose into their blood and brain. They have an average lifespan of 30 years, which is longer than most rodents.
Let's get soapy with a hairless rat.
Javanese leaf insects are found in the forests of Java, Sumatra, and Bali in Indonesia. They are herbivores, feeding mainly on leaves. They can vary in size from 2.5 to 4 inches, depending on the species. They are also known as walking leaves because of their ability to mimic real leaves, making them difficult for predators to spot. They have a unique defense mechanism where they sway back and forth when threatened, resembling a leaf blowing in the wind. Females have a specialized ovipositor. They used to lay eggs inside veins of leaves. They have the ability to regenerate lost limbs. The fascinating sea pens, which are sessile animals like coral and sea anemones. They look like an ancient quill pen. They can be found in deep and shallow waters worldwide. They anchor themselves in places with suitable food and environmental conditions and can grow to be 8 inches to 6.5 feet long. Phosphorescent sea pens, which have 8 tentacles with polyps attached, feed on plankton and exhibit luminescence. They come in various colors such as brown, orange, red, and yellow. Jumping spiders can jump up to 50 times their body length and have 4 pairs of eyes with 2 large front-facing eyes that provide excellent depth perception. They come in various colors and patterns, like red, blue, green, and yellow. Jumping spiders are skilled hunters, using their exceptional vision and leaping abilities to capture their prey. They display curious and playful behaviors, often showing interest in cameras and other devices. Some species perform intricate courtship displays such as dances and oculus actions to attract mates. Tarsiers have disproportionately large eyes that are unable to rotate, now roughly the same size as their brain. They are capable of twisting their head 180 degrees like owls and have elongated appendages to help them cling to tree branches and leap up to 5 meters. They are carnivorous and feed on snakes, bats, birds, lizards, and frogs. Tarsiers are found around the world with about 10 types of species. Unfortunately, this sociable animal is endangered. The Philippine sailfin lizard, also known as the sailfin dragon, grows up to 2 feet long with a tail that makes up over half of its length. They are named after the sail-like fin on their spine used to regulate body temperature and attract mates. These lizards are diurnal, live in trees and near water, and eat insects, small mammals, and fruit. They are native to the Philippines. Male Philippine sailfin lizards are territorial and engage in aggressive displays. They are also capable of autonomy, shedding their tail as a defense mechanism, which will eventually grow back. The desert rain frog is a plump frog found in the Namibia desert. They are nocturnal and feed on insects and spiders and are well camouflaged. They can inflate themselves to deter predators. Their high-pitched main call is reminiscent of a squeaky toy. They are not endangered, but their habitat faces threats from human encroachment and climate change.
Now for a close-up of the desert rain frog.
The golden poison dart frog is a large, bright, yellow frog found in forests on the Pacific coast of Colombia. Despite their small size, they are highly toxic and contain enough venom to kill 10 humans. They are not naturally aggressive towards people. The frog's venom, which contains the chemical atractiotoin, can cause paralysis and cardiac arrest.
Stare down with poison dart frog.
Shoebills are rare, large birds with spindly legs and a height of up to 5 feet. Their shoe-shaped beak can grow up to 9.4 inches long and is razor sharp. They look like they are running and have a dinosaur-like appearance. They live in East African countries and feed on fish. Shoebills hunt by staying still in low, oxygenated water where fish come to the surface for oxygen and can also catch rodents, lizards, and water snakes. They are skilled hunters and stay motionless before attacking their prey.
Breaking news, we have exclusive up-close clip with a magnificent and mysterious shoebill. Let's go to the clip.
My name is Dan Line. First step away, and we'll be right back. I will introduce the lots of axolotl. Axolotl are a type adult salamander native to Mexico that can breathe underwater and retain their larval form throughout their life. They have the unique ability to regenerate organs and are studied for their genetic similarities to humans. They come in various colors and have a vacuum-like feeding behavior. In the wild, they are critically endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and non-native species introduction.
Now for a Pino recital from Axolotl.
Whitemargin stargazers, also known as popeye or marbled stargazers, are named for the position of their eyes that look like they are stargazing.
Feeding frenzy with Whitemargin stargazer.
Umbrella birds are large blackbirds found in southern and central American rainforests. The male has a distinct 35 centimeters inflatable wattle on its neck that is covered with short, scaly feathers, while the female is smaller in size with a smaller wattle, body size, and crest. There are 3 species of umbrella birds, all with similar umbrella-like appearances and crests on their heads, but different shapes. During the mating season, males congregate, display their wattles, plumage, and sing to females. The bird has a slow flying speed and can only fly shorter distances. This animal, the thorny devil, has more names based on its weird look. Mohawk, thorny dragon, mountain devil, and devil lizard. Though thorns on their body are for protection, they are among the weirdest animals. Thorny devil only resides in the shrub and desert area of Australia's mainland. They feed mainly on ants, about 750 daily. They are slow moving animals in which sometimes they may erect their tails in the air. They are solitary in nature. On average, the females lay between 3 to 10 eggs in a burrow.
Now for a close-up of the thorny devil.
Leafy sea dragon are found in the western and southern parts of Australia's coast, and they are also known as glayward sea dragon. Their appearance resembles a mix of dragons and sea horses, with leaf-like protruding lobes of skin filaments, which allows them to conceal themselves from predators. They do not have any natural predators, and their camouflage is exceptional, which includes changing their color to blend with their surroundings and according to the stress they experience. The hairy armadillo is a small South American species with shaggy hairs that insulate them from cold temperatures. They are primarily insectivores, but also eat seeds, fruit, and small animals. They can curl up into ball to protect themselves, are active at night, and have a gestation period of about 60 days. Unlike other armadillo species, their small claws make them less proficient at digging.
Now a lesson from armadillo in hooking on tippy toes.
Indian pangolin, also known as the scaly anteater, has large scales that protect it from predators, long tongue for capturing ants and termites, and is primarily nocturnal. It can be found in most parts of India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Southeast Asia. Unfortunately, this highly trafficked species is endangered due to the illegal trade in their scales and meat. They are solitary animals who curl up into a tight ball to protect themselves and only come together for breeding. Indian pangolins help control the population of termites and ants, which are important for the ecosystem.
Dinner time with Anteater.
And the word for the longest tongue goes to...
The Honduran white bat is an adorable bat found in the lowland rainforest of South and Central America with an unusual appearance, including leaf-shaped noses, pig-like snouts, and human-like teeth. They are one of the world's weirdest animals and weigh an average of 6 grams with a length of 4 to 5 centimeters. This nocturnal oligamous bat feeds on fruits from one specific fig tree and has no tail. They can lie for more than 15 years, fly to search for food, and run from predators like snakes, monkeys, raptors, and owls while staying upside down like other bats. The red-eyed tree frog, also called monkey frog, has green bodies with red eyes that act as effective camouflage in the rainforest. They are nocturnal and have suction cups on their feet and lay eggs on leaves above water. Male frogs are smaller with deeper calls and they are native to Central and South America.
Now for some action with a tree frog.
Frigate birds have forked tails and long wings, allowing them to soar great distances without flapping. With the best wing area to body weight ratio of any bird, they can stay airborne for days. Male frigate birds have large red inflatable throat hatches to attract females. During breeding season, known as pirates of the sky, frigate birds harass other birds in flight to steal their food. They are found in tropical oceans, with the biggest populations in the Galapagos in Australia. Frigate birds use unique hemispheric slow wave sleep to sleep while flying. The okapi is a mammal that is native to the Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa. It's closely related to the giraffe, but has a shorter neck and striped legs that resemble those of a zebra. Okapis are herbivores and can grow up to around 8 feet long and weigh up to around 700 pounds. They are primarily active during the day and are known for being very elusive and difficult to spot in the wild.
And here's the second runner-up for the longest tongue.
The frilled lizard, also known as the frilled dragon, is a lizard that gets its name from the frill of skin around its neck. Found in Australia and southern New Guinea, it is arboreal and feeds on insects and small vertebrates. It can climb trees and run on hind legs with its tail for balance. It lays eggs and, when threatened, may bite.
And now for some running action with the frilled lizard.
They can see in 2 different directions at the same time because their eyes move independently from each other. This helps them locate prey and spot predators more efficiently. Jackson's chameleon are insectivores, which means they mostly feed on insects such as crickets, mealworms, and grasshoppers. They may also eat small reptiles and rodents, but these make up a much smaller portion of their diet. Jackson's chameleon can change the color and pattern on their skin to match their environment
And
or communicate
now,
with other
let's
individuals
slow
of the
things
species.
down with Jackson's chameleon.
He did it! He really did!
Now for a top secret mission with Gang Squirt.
Help! Help!
I'll save you, sheep. But how? Okay, I know. When I lose you, run for your life, and don't look back!
What's that noise?
Yes. I am free. I am free.
Yes, I did it! Sheep is free. Those overgrown cats have lost another meal. Yay! Another victory.
What's all that racket? Hey, you're free to our dinner again. We'll have you for dinner this time.
No, I gotta run. I gotta run. Just keep running. Just keep running. You overgrown cats! You can't catch me! Time to leave those overgrown cats in my dust! Yes? I had friends, and I'll quit it! Those overgrown cats! They will think twice before messing with me again! They won't find me here! I might as well get comfortable. This is the life! Until next time, kids, remember to be kind to those around you and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more!